In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the ChatGPT for Jira app from the Atlassian Marketplace. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Jira Cloud instance with an account that has permission to manage apps. This is usually an administrator or site admin. Once you're signed in, head to the For You page in Jira. You can find this from your main Jira dashboard. It's part of the standard navigation in the left-hand sidebar. If your layout looks a little different, don't worry. The key thing is that you're on your Jira home area where the app menus are available. On the For You page, look towards the main navigation where Jira lists options like projects, filters, dashboards, and apps. You'll see an area that's highlighted in the guide. This is the entry point to the Apps or Marketplace section. Click on that highlighted area to open the Apps menu. From the Apps menu, you'll see an option that takes you to Discover or Browse Apps. Again, this will be highlighted in the guide. Click on that to open the Atlassian Marketplace within your Jira site. This is where you can search for and install new apps. Once the Marketplace page opens, move to the search bar that appears near the top of the screen. In this search field, type ChatGPT for Jira. Take a moment to check your spelling here, because accurate search terms will help you find the correct app quickly. After typing the name, wait for the results to load. In the search results, look for the app called ChatGPT for Jira. It should appear as one of the top matches. When you see it, click on the app name or the highlighted area around it to open the app's detail page. This page will show you an overview, screenshots, pricing, and compatibility information. On the app detail page, look for the button labeled Try It Free. This is usually located near the top right area of the screen. Clicking Try It Free will start the installation process. Jira may ask you to confirm the installation and show you what permissions the app needs. Review those details, then proceed to confirm. After you confirm, Jira will begin installing the app. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a confirmation message and the ChatGPT for Jira app will be available from your Apps menu, ready for configuration and use within your projects.